Hey, let me show you how you can use dual device connection on your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3. So first of all, on your main device, in this case I'm using the Google phone, you have to open your earbuds and go to the connection center. As you can see right now, I'm connected to the two devices at the same time. So here is my phone and here is my Redmi tablet. And if I want to disconnect my earbuds from this tablet, I have to select it on the list and then click disconnect. As you can see right now, when I go to the settings, I'm not connected anymore. It's saved, but I'm not connected right now. If I want to be connected back, click on it and take a look. Okay, right now looks like I'm unable to connect, but let's try one more time. The Bluetooth is turned on and take a look, this connection status has changed. So right now I'm connected back. So basically you can manage the connection from your main device, and yeah, if you want to remove any devices that is connected, you just click on this icon, then click OK, and you will unpair the earbuds. Take a look. Right now I'm not connected anymore, and if I try to do this, if I try to connect, as you can see, it doesn't appear anymore on the list. So it means that this connection center works, and it works for 100% without any issues. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.